Hey everyone, so this is a bit different from what I do. I just wanted to, get into a different point of view. I want to help people who, you know, don't stream or whatever, or who stream and they, don't have an overlay, or they want one but they don't have one. I'm gonna be showing you today how to get a animated overlay, non-animated overlay, really anything you want. So first of all, you're just gonna want to open up whatever your browser is, and go type in .com. So you're gonna want to log in, and logged in on your profile, and you're gonna dashboard, and when you're at your dashboard, my overlays or theme gallery, and you're gonna want to look at all the themes. They have quite a few. They have widgets and everything, but they don't have any yet, because nobody has any yet. And so they also have alerts. And they're all for OBS. And if you download OBS Live or download Stream Elements to your computer, then you can it's automatically gonna go to it, which is cool. So you just find find a overlay you want. You're just gonna click create, and then you're gonna see if you like it. Oh yeah, it's nice. And then you're gonna click create my overlay. First of all, you have to make what's called as sample. We're gonna click create my overlay. Then this is the in-game scene, talk scene, force field, or this is start scene, be right back scene, and end scene. So let's say I want to go I want to use this. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go copy this, or you can just click this. I use Control key. Then you're gonna want to take OBS, drag it over wherever it is. Elements. Oh no, not stream elements. So here, you're gonna click plus. You're gonna click this little plus sign. You're gonna go to browser. You're gonna create it. Then you're gonna want to paste your You're gonna want to do Control V. That will paste it in the link, and then you can open it in Stream Elements if you wanna, or Overlay Editor if you wanna edit it or anything. Then you're just gonna click OK if you're done, and then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna click on it. Go transform. You're gonna go stretch the screen or fit screen, whichever one. Oh, first of all, that was not good. We have to go. First, we're gonna want to edit this, whatever, or whatever your like resolution. And look, now you have this, and I might actually use this because it's pretty cool. And you can edit it if you want to edit any of these. And I don't know why it says hyperspeed. That's not my name on Twitch. I don't use Twitch right now. Then that's pretty much it. And then you can do that for any of the other ones. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. So I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.